Hey, this is SADESIGN channel. Today I'll show you how to turn your photo to a dreamy look with bokeh lights right here in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open your photo in Photoshop. You can use my stock to go along with me throughout the whole process. Usually, the link is on the description. Let's convert the background layer to a smart object so we can modify it non-destructively. Pick up Crop tool, C shortcut. We'll make this document from a rectangular shape to a square shape. Then, click to the check mark on the top to confirm. Duplicate layer 0 twice by pressing shortcut Ctrl or Command J 2 times. Turn off top layer. In the second one, we'll add blur to it. Go to Filter, Blur, Radial Blur. In here, set the blurring amount to 100. Blur method, zoom, and paste in quality. Just leave the blur center at easy because we want the blur effect to start from the center. OK. If you want to adjust the blur position, double click to radial blur over here and move the dot right in the center of the model face. Don't worry about her eyes, we'll fix that now. Turn back on top layer. Create a black layer mask to it by holding Alt and click to this icon below. Use brush tool, B shortcut. Adjust the opacity to 75% and foreground should be in white. If it's not, click to this icon to switch foreground and background color, or X shortcut on the keyboard. Just paint on her face to remove the blur effect. You can adjust the opacity if needed. Here I have bokeh image. We copy it to our project with Ctrl A and Ctrl C. Ctrl V to base it on our project and Ctrl T to expand it to fill the whole document. Tips: hold Alt and Shift while dragging to make it expand from the center. Change blend mode from normal to screen. You can adjust bokeh lights with Move tool, V shortcut. Next, just add some contrast to it. Create curve adjustment layer, increase highlight and decrease shadow for adding contrast. There you go. Hope that you like this video. Hit like and leave comments in case you want me to clarify something on this clip. Thanks for watching.